Hello, today we'll be going over HubSpot sequences within Koncert using our filter feature. In HubSpot, you have the option to go ahead and create sequences. So in here, you can see I have 3 different ones created already. I'm going to go ahead and start with creating the sequence. All you do is click Create Sequence, and then you click it again at the top right corner. In here, you'll want to go ahead and name your sequence. So I'm just going to put call sequence 1.2, and if you just click out of there, it'll save the name for you. Once in here, you'll go ahead and choose your call task. You want to change the title to be something that you can search by in a filter in Koncert. So you want to go ahead and always start with the title of the sequence, so call sequence 1.2, and then you just want to put like step 1 and then put, intro call. So it always has the name of the sequence, the step number, and then just the first little tidbit of what the call is for, so you know when you're searching in Koncert for those calls. I'm going to go ahead and just click Add Call. And I'll just go ahead and add a second one just so you can see again. Once again, for the title, we're going to do the sequence name, and then we're going to put step 2, and we'll just put call attempt for the intro, for the little tidbit of information. I'm going to go ahead and click Add here. So you can see I have 2 call steps. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Go ahead and allow everybody. Now that it's saved, I can go ahead and enroll my contacts. So in here, you'll notice the grayed out contacts are contacts that are already within a sequence in my HubSpot account. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a few of these in. Let's just do 10 of them and just click Next. Once I do that, it'll show me all of my settings for my call task. I can go ahead and just click the Enroll 10 of 10 contacts and just enroll 10 contacts again. Once done that, my sequence is now completed. Also, if you want to just go back to the sequences, so now you'll see I have 4 different sequences, and inside of these sequences, you'll see that all of their call steps have that unique name, their call sequence name, the call step number, and then just a little tidbit of information. So I'm just going to go ahead back to all my sequences. You can see again on this one as well, Koncert test, step 1, 2, and 3, and then just a tidbit of information here. All right, so now that I have all my sequences as I want them, I can go ahead into Koncert. Once in Koncert, you'll want to go to the List tab on the left-hand side of your screen to go ahead and upload that sequence or all of your sequences into Koncert. I'm going to go ahead and just check off the Koncert HubSpot follow-ups past due. This is anything that's due today and previous from today. I'll go ahead and just click Begin Import. All right, you can see 41 out of 51 have been brought in. I'll go ahead and click Continue. So now you can see I have all of my different call steps that are due currently in here in my list. Once I have that in here, I can go ahead and click Add Filter. Now I'm going to want to scroll down until I see Subject. Once I see Subject here, it'll show me that I have all these different call steps that are due for different sequences. So I can either choose 1, or I can choose 2, 3, I can choose as many as I want here, or I can even type in the box. So if I wanted to just say, start searching for any that are named with Koncert, I can go ahead and do that, and then just go ahead and check them off and click out of it. This will go ahead and refresh my list and only show those in that sequence and that step that are due right now. If I wanted to add a secondary filter, I can do that as well. So say I wanted to go ahead and add another filter to just kind of filter it down a little bit more. So say I wanted to do title. I'm going to go ahead in here and just click SDR here and click out of it. This will go ahead and filter it down just a little bit more. Now I only have 11 contacts that I need to dial right now for this step of this particular sequence, and it's only directed at the SDRs. If I wanted to dial all of them and not go by a certain title, I can clear that filter, or I can even change it and add a different filter. Say I wanted to just do the VP, I can go ahead and choose VP, and it'll just go ahead and filter down to VPs only. You can always do more than one, like I can do BDR and CFO as well, and it'll just filter down to those as well. You're allowed to have unlimited filters, so if you had another field on here that you wanted to do a filter on as well, you could click Add Filter, find that field here, and go ahead and filter it down even further. As I said, you can have unlimited filters, so please go ahead and filter as much as you need. Once I have this way I like it, I can go ahead and join my audio and go ahead and start my session. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to support@koncert.com. Thank you.